Let's go for a nature walk.
Big old gopher tortoise munching on some weeds.
This one looks fully grown. They can live up to 60 years in the wild.
Check out these bald cypress trees. Mourning doves. It's a young cardinal. That sounds like a turkey. One lone southern magnolia flower. Wow, I think that's a great crested flycatcher. Baby chickadee.
Would you go swimming in that? Look at all those air bubbles. It's definitely a gator hiding under there. I think it's Mama Gator. I can hear little baby gators chirping. Listen carefully. Made it to the Withlacoochee River. And it looks like a limpkin. This deer wanted to play hide and seek. What is it?
Armadillo.
That's a big old barred owl.
A young rat snake. You never know what you'll find on a nature walk.